Oh. Ah. Drop it.
Hit it. Hit it. Got it. Yeah. Feel it.
When you think everything's fine but still sleep with the gun, you're bound to get shot. Now tell me, was that fun? Don't be dumb and blame someone and try to run, then act all stunned when I confront you when you're drunk, acting like a punk when I won't share my skunk. We the best out of the trunk, Alps and red eye, then had a little fun. Kind not bunk, roll it in a blunt. Ain't alcohol drunk, now we getting crunk. We good and you suck. I'm the hunter, you the duck, you jerk off puck. I finish first, you still suck. Rap book open, you're still shut. Rap King Tut, get your girl off my nuts. Don't try and fuss, we will never discuss. Cause I don't trust any guy without nuts who doesn't bang sluts and stares at male butts. So let's move on now and never look back. Go hard, don't slack, get girls to the sack. And never stop or they will get a gat and kill your ass. Just be nice and get a little sass. And try to find one with some weed to pass, and I'll make it last. Let's have a blast, but don't ever be a bitch, cause I sense when you snitch and nervous. When I'm about to twitch and I'm about to bury you 6 feet underground. Try and get big, get a gig, and blow up right. Hope you think our shit is tight, because this game is all night flight. In your mind and out of sight.
Out of sight. Ooh. Yeah. Well, they told me to come up on the beat, so I stood up off my feet and I set it down and I do it all for real. Don't you know that I'm not here to steal anybody's meal, because I'm hungry as can be. Motherfucker, you can see that I'm not an MC, I'm a true white boy. That doesn't matter, cause I'll bring the mad toys to put you in the dirt. Yeah, I'll throw up your girl's skirt. She's saying that I'm going berserk, but it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna put you against the wall, and then I'm gonna stall, and you acting like you ball across the court. Motherfucker, of course, doesn't matter if you wanna get a brand new source of meal, cause I'm gonna deal and you are not acting real. I'm just saying that I'm gonna have to feel some new beat to stumble. That's when I fumble the verse, and I'm gonna have to put you in a hearse, but that's not what I'm doing, because I'm real clueless. That's what I'm saying, and you're being mad abusive. I'm not that way, you're being real gay. Motherfucker, stay out my way, because you need to pray for a better day against me. AP, that's me, and my initials official. I want you like a missile into the sky. Don't ask why, because I really just despise the lies all up in your fucking eyes. I don't really care, I'm just gonna have to flare and glare all my shit up and down the street. I'm just saying that I'm getting back on my feet, because I'm really ruling and these bitches getting schooled. So I'm just saying that I'm gonna have to rule. Stupid rulers wanna act like contestants. Motherfucker, you know that I really represent this. My word, that's what I heard and that's what's up. Motherfucker, you know I'm abrupt and I just keep it real. Real steel and blue. Motherfucker, you know that I'm true in the booth. So just listen, kid, if you wanna reminisce. I'm saying that I'm gonna have to give your girl a kiss. Mwah!
Oh shit.
Ah shit.